Hey guys, Ed here. Welcome back. Well, welcome to part 11 of our Trumpeter HEMTT Wrecker build. And up to this point, guys, we have been building up our chassis. And there's been quite a bit to it, right? If you've been following along, you know that. And so today's video is going to be something just a little bit different. We are going to get into some painting. Okay, let's go ahead and get this chassis painted. We're going to do a little bit of weathering on it, that and the motor. And we're going to be putting some rubber tubing in. Now, it's not kit provided, but I'm going to throw it in there just to add a little bit of interest to make it look like we got some hydraulic hoses and things like that running, around. And it might not be mechanically accurate, guys. And if you're a mechanic, you're probably gonna be like, hey, that hose don't belong there or whatever. And that's okay. It's my model. I'm just doing it, just to jazz it up a little bit, right? To add, like I said, add a little bit of interest. So it's not going to be mechanically accurate, but we're going to put a couple hoses in there just to make it look good. Let's go ahead and get those tires put on and see what else we can get accomplished. So let's just get right on into it, guys. We got a lot to do. And so welcome back to Models of Beer.
Ooh, it's a fresh dream. it's a fresh dream. It's a fresh dream. Ooh, it's a fresh dream.
All right, check it out. It's starting to look like a HEMTT, right? Maybe not the Wrecker part yet, but it will once we get the upper assembly started going. But we got our chassis completed. We got it painted. We got our tires on. We did add some hydraulic hoses, as you can see there, which were, again, not kit provided. I added those on my own just to add a little bit of interest. And again, it's probably not mechanically correct. And I don't care. It's my model. I'm building it my way. And you can see down here I added some more hydraulic hoses running. There's some more back this way here. And in the front we did another hose here doing something. And our underside, you can see the hydraulic hoses running here. And like I said, I think it adds some interest, right? Gives you the eyes something to look at. This gas can here, I know I did it off of camera, but I painted it a flat red, and then I did a dry brush of a burgundy on it to give it a really a dirty look, which I think I succeeded. And then we did our motor here, and these lines running from the exhaust, the manifolds, I kind of rusted them up a little bit just to kind of, you know, they're getting hot and heated up. They're not going to look as, the paint's not going to stay on that, right? It's going to burn up a little bit. So I did char those up a little bit with some rust and some heat. And let me get to the other side here and let's take a look at this. And we did some weathering. You can see it's not a whole lot, guys, but it's just enough to dirty it up a little bit to make it look like it's not, you know, brand new. And we got some stuff spilling out of the top of the heads here, some kind of fluids. I was kind of bummed that a diesel engine does not have plug wires and stuff, because we really could address that motor up, right? But yeah, it's a diesel engine, so it's not going to have a whole lot of wires and stuff out of it, unfortunately. And I painted this exhaust part here in a flat black. I got a silver connector right there that goes into our blower system. Yeah, so there we have it, guys. We are making progress on our HEMTT, and I'm happy with it so far. Everything is looking really nice. So, all right, we're going to end this video here, guys. Like I said, we are already into this thing over a half an hour. I'm trying to keep these videos short, and I did not exceed in that goal today, for sure. So in the next video, guys, we're going to finish up the rest of this exhaust system here. And then we're going to build the cab. Let's get the cab going. And then we'll just take the instruction book one page at a time from there. So I appreciate everybody watching, guys. Thank you so much. And I'm having a blast with this, and I hope you're, enjoying it too. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video, guys. Everybody have a great week, and I will see you then. Bye-bye.